In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Zoom meeting. Whether you're a newcomer to Zoom or a seasoned user looking to refine your skills, this guide will ensure you're well prepared to dive right into your virtual meeting space. Let's begin with accessing Zoom via the web. Once you've logged into your Zoom account using your internet browser, turn your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find a series of options neatly arranged as a sidebar menu. Look for the option labeled Meetings. This is your gateway to accessing all your scheduled or saved Zoom sessions. Once you've located it, give it a click and you'll be directed to a page displaying your meetings. Among the list of meetings, identify the one you wish to start. You should see a Start button adjacent to it. Click on Start and it will instantly initiate the Zoom meeting, taking you into the virtual conference room where you can await your participants or begin your session right away. Now, for those of you who prefer using the Zoom app, launching a meeting is just as straightforward. First, launch the Zoom application on your device. Once the app is open, you'll find yourself on the home screen. It's designed to be user-friendly, presenting you with daily upcoming events and meeting options. Here on the home page, look towards the bottom part of the screen where your ongoing or near-future meetings are listed. Maintaining simplicity and convenience, locate the meeting you intend to start. You'll see it there, ready to begin at your command with a clear Start button next to it. Clicking this button will immediately launch your Zoom meeting, putting you in the virtual conference room, just like on the web version. Regardless of the platform you use, starting a meeting on Zoom is designed to be intuitive and effortless. Keep in mind, prior to initiating your meeting, it's a good practice to ensure your audio and video settings are correctly configured to avoid any disruptions. A quick test of your microphone and camera can go a long way in ensuring a smooth meeting experience. Additionally, consider checking your internet connection to prevent any potential hiccups and support a seamless discussion with your attendees. Remember, good preparation can set a positive tone for the rest of your meeting. Whether you're hosting a team meeting, a class, or a friendly catch-up, these straightforward steps empower you to start your meeting with confidence.